beg, madam, I beg, do they talk to me like
This
that?
man!
I don't pay for this work. Do you know who I am?
70 years old man.
I beg, Mr. Tom, may you take your time, take your time. You know, say na me be the chairwoman for this local government. If you do anyhow, Madam, I don't tell you before. I know they do all this kind of work. I carry person, I drop. I know they do messenger work. Which kind of thing be all these ones now? Tom, I beg. If you talk to me anyhow, that your house rent when I want to help you pay, I no go pay am again. Now for road you go to sleep by tomorrow morning. This useless human being. Why they try help you, they shout on top me. Madam, no verse. You know say the stress for this country too much. Too much. All this wahala everywhere. I just recently I just come up from police now. You know say my blood will be hot. I beg, no verse. No wahala, no. I just back for there. The man go come meet you.
Think say they wise.
Meet you when you enter your car. Bring and come my house immediately.
You are a mumu man.
No wahala, mommy. No wahala. Go bring and come your house. No wahala. Kai, which kind of area this woman send me come? Nobody dey here now. No house at all. Make I quickly call the madam. Jeremiah, nothing dey happen.
70 years old man.
Come, madam. Wetin dey happen now? I don't reach the address where you give me. Nobody dey here now.
No worry, Tom. You go see am now. This person sure you know they feel me.
Come, madam. I don't get time for all this kind of thing. You know as the economy of this country be. Now fuel like the waste like this now. I beg, make this person hurry up.
Don't worry, my son, because I hear now drive.
Hey, go. Madam, which kind of wahala be all this one? Which kind of wahala come be all this one? No be wetin we agree with this o. So you say may I go carry person, say may I go carry the gods.
I beg my friend, just quickly carry the baba come here. You get special prayer we want come do for me for here. Make sure say you bring and come directly to the house, so no branch anywhere.
Okay, man, no wahala.
They have left you. 70 years old man.
My people, how did we get here? No be money I dey find. Wetin concern me and Juju now? How far, Oga? How work now? How market?
Look, young man, do not provoke the great Ogaga. Take me to my destination or face the wrath of the gods.
70 years old man.
See this man. Na me dey talk to like that. They hold me, Mr. Tom. They God's guy. Come, Oga, you know if you do me anything though. And by your information, I am a chosen. Who are you? Oga, if you make me vex, I go back this car. Even better. Thank God, see police checkpoint for front. Make I hand you over to police.
Young man, you'll be making a big mistake if you dead gods.
Are you playing?
Well, I beg keep quiet, Jerry.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Yes, I beg officer, make una come me arrest this man. I don't know who he be. He just appear inside my motor.
Are you
I
playing?
beg, go check the motor. Oga, nobody dey inside the motor.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Now one calabash I see for the back seat. It be like say this guy na ritualist, Oga.
Think
Oh
say
yeah,
they
Mr.
wise.
Tom, come down from the car. Oh, Mr. Tom, you don't turn ritualist now, Abi. Say because end of the year they come, we want quickly make money.
This
No
man.
wahala.
Officer, no be me get that calabash. Person be dey the back seat.
You better shut up, my friend. Now move.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.